Alright guys, today I am here in England, close to the border with Wales, in a place called Colmere. So I'm first time here. It's a very big lake, so I come to see, to check out, to explore, to see what I can find here. So join me to explore this place. So let me show you the map of the lake. So you see Colmere, it's over here, this is the lake, so you can do different routes around. So this lake is situated in Shropshire. It's very close to Shrewsbury, also is very close to the Wales border. So if you want to go from here to Wales, you can go there. But today we will focus about this area and I will show you how it looks like, what you can find here if you want to visit. I never been here, so I don't know what to expect. Everybody says it's a beautiful place, so I say I will try it to see how it is, and I will show you also. So first thing, we need to get through this gate. So the lake is here in the front of me. Let's see exactly how it looks like. You see over there is a church. So this one is the Colmere Lake. Important, this lake, it's a natural lake, so it's here from Ice Age. It's very old one, so it's not artificial lake like in other areas here in UK. So let me show you here the water. So you can see the water is very clear, it's a crystal clear. So the place where I start the video is the car park. So it's a free parking, you don't need to pay for the parking. You can stay how long you like there. So here there are different trails to walk. So the easy way to arrive in this place is with a car. Also, if you take the train to Shrewsbury or here around, you can take a taxi or you can ride a bike, but I recommend you guys to do it with a car. It's the easy way. So check this out, this is the natural beauty of this lake. So the plan is to go around to see what we can find here, and maybe after we will do a picnic.
Going round the lake.
Oh, these people.
So here you go guys, we arrive here in this forest next to the lake. So here in this area there are quite a lot of lakes. There are like 6 or 7 lakes. So this one, Colmere, is one of them. It's another one, Ellesmere, which is a little bit further up, which is close to the Ellesmere town, which is a small little town here in this area. Also it's another town exactly on the border between England and Wales, which is Alcester, but you don't have a train there, so you can take the train to Alcester because it's not a train station. So this forest is very beautiful actually. It's very relaxing and you can feel that fresh air and you can hear the birds, how they make noise around. So yeah guys, I'm just a Romanian random guy who tried to explore UK and to show you different places here in UK where not too many tourists are going sometimes. There are some tourist areas, but here, to be honest with you, I don't see too many people. My videos are more focused on this type of places, like more places, especially if you're planning to visit UK, to make idea where you can go, what you can find, because everybody's doing in these days videos about big cities like London, Manchester, Liverpool and others, Birmingham. I just want to do a little bit different, because sometimes you go in a country and you just want to escape a little bit in a countryside, and that's the thing what I want to do these videos and to share this experience with you guys. And if you appreciate, consider to subscribe, because there will be weekly videos about this stuff. So check this out here, it's a house. So somebody built a house here, probably they was sleeping here over the night, or they just built this one here, I don't know. So here around there are farms, there are lands from the farms. So I reckon you can stay to sleep here if you want to. Okay, let's keep going to see what else we can find. Here close to the lake is a canal also. This is the Llangollen Canal. So if you ever heard about the aqueduct, one of the oldest aqueduct in the world, this is the canal who is going there. So that aqueduct, if I'm right, is in Travern, close to Llangollen village. So you can see, guys, it's there a boat, somebody it's driving a boat. In this area also there are other activities what you can do. You can do filming, you can do photographer. So because especially on a sunrise and sunset, it's very beautiful. So that's the perfect time to come to visit this lake. Make sure if you're coming in the morning, you are here around 7 o'clock, maybe early. Not like me, I arrive here at 12 o'clock. So don't do the same mistake like me. So England, and not just England, UK have a very good network of canals, and they are well maintained even in these days, because in old times before the trains, the people, they use the canals, boats, to ship the goods. So in these days there are still a lot of boats, but they are more for people who travel, who have a boat and they want to travel on a canal and they want that experience. But majority of these canals are still well maintained. So for example, you can do activities like going someplace and rent a boat for a day, and you can go on a canal. So that is something what you can do. So what do you think about this area, guys? It's a very beautiful area. Let me know if you want me to do a video in Llangollen and to show you the aqueduct in Travern. So on that aqueduct was filmed Peaky Blinders, and it's very famous one. It was built by the Romans. So question for you guys, because I don't know the answer for it. What's called this tree? This one. What is the name of this tree? Let me know in a comment. Look at this trail. It's so beautiful. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. They are around 25 degrees. Perfect summer. So you see there are other trails over there. You can go through the forest if you don't want to walk on the main one. I will not keep the camera on me. I want to show you what I see also, because it's not very nice just to keep the camera on my face and you can see what is here around. Okay, let's see if we're getting out of this forest, because to be honest with you, I don't know what to expect. Exactly how I told you in the beginning of the video, it's my first time here. This location was chosen randomly. Yesterday I've been to Wales, and today I'm just here close to the Welsh border, and I just find this location and I say, let's just give it a try to see what we can find here. You know, the best videos for me, that is my honest opinion, they are the ones who are random. I mean, I don't really planning the videos. I just go there and I just go with the flow. I don't really planning absolutely nothing. I just do it randomly. So this is going around the lake. Let me show you guys another house who was built here. I don't know who done this. Okay guys, let me show you the end of the lake. So here is the other end of the lake. So you see, look how beautiful it is and clear. I reckon there are a lot of fish here, but I don't know if you are allowed to use a boat on this lake. Check this out, there's some ducks over there. So over there it's a little marina where you can let your boat. In each of my video, when I walk in a countryside, I remind you about these gates over here. So make sure you close them, because sometimes there are animals here on these fields, and if you don't close the gates, the animals, they get missing, and you don't want that. So here you have another bench where you can sit. So check this out, this field over here, full of yellow flowers. I think they are buttercups. I can't remember the name of these flowers. If you know, please let me know. and check this house over there. So guys, if you want to camp, it's over there a campsite. So if you come here over to stay overnight, it's a campsite here close to the lake. So where you can install your tent or camper van, whatever you have.
You filming yourself? Oh.
Here in the front of me, it's a boat club, but it's a private one. So just the members are allowed, members only. So over there in the front of me, there are the boats. So there they have a pontoon. So let's see what's happened here in the front of me to show you guys the boats. Maybe you want to join the club if you live here around or you're planning to live here around. So this is the place where they keep all the boats. I don't think they use them. Here in the front of me is the car park. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe, like and comment. So yeah, this is the car park, free parking all day. You are not allowed to stay overnight. You are not allowed to camping here. It's another camping place here close to this park. Okay, thank you very much for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video.